Crazy Chef, big vibe. So everyone can cook, everyone can come up with recipes, but this recipe here is guaranteed easy, affordable, and probably one of the oldest recipe out there. And as I said, one off. So today we're making chicken cordon bleu. So all you need for this is some cheese, some ham, your chicken, whatever starch you need, and whatever sauce you're gonna use. So what I did is I butterflied my chicken breast. Then I hit it with a little salt and pepper. That's it. After I hit it with some salt and pepper, I put some ham on the inside. Some sliced ham. You can dice it up if you want, or you can cut it however you want. So once I put my ham in, I'm gonna put some shredded Swiss cheese. And see, the Swiss cheese is what they use older, so I figure I just use the Swiss cheese. So some shredded Swiss cheese, roll it, and once you roll it, you could either do it as a croquette, but today I'm gonna grill them in my cast iron skillet, and then I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs mix. So this one I'm doing vegetarian, just to show you that if you don't heat ham, you can stuff it with other things. You can put some spinach in there, you can put some kale, you can do whatever you want. So the vibe is, as I said, the vibe is chicken cordon bleu. So we're doing a chicken Florentine on the side just to show you that you could do something else, but the vibe is the chicken cordon bleu. So I put some oil in my cast iron skillet, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it on the base and I'm gonna cook it on the top. Then I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs. So as soon as I cook the base, then I cook the top, I'm gonna hit it with some more salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna put my breadcrumbs. So all my breadcrumbs is some dried parsley, breadcrumbs, some dry oregano, and some dry basil. You could put a little Parmesan cheese if you like. You could put a little paprika if you like, but that's all I'm putting today. Then I'm gonna hit it with some olive oil. So some extra virgin olive oil, and that's gonna help for your breadcrumbs not to be dry. So hit it with that extra virgin olive oil, and then you're gonna cook for another 20 to 25 minutes on like 350. And soon as it's done and your cheese starts to melt and your breadcrumbs is nice and golden brown, that's when you take it out, and it looks like that, all nice and juicy, all beautiful. That's when you slice it up, right? So look at that cheese just bursting out of there. Yeah, beautiful, delicious, guarantee. So for this, you could hit it with some supreme sauce and it would be beautiful. You could hit it with some Marcella sauce, it would be beautiful. So slice them up, should be nice and juicy and tender, and you could serve this with some potatoes, some pasta, or you could just have it with some rice. So Crazy Chef, big vibe with the chicken cordon bleu. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of the vibe. Thanks for hitting that like button. Boom, Crazy Chef.